So welcome back everybody. So today we're going to go through a quick trick, a little tip that I'll give you so you can still watch all your favourite blocked apps which are blocked on your Fire Stick on your Fire Stick. So it's a good little trick we can do where we can still watch them while you're maybe looking for other apps which might not be blocked in the future. We're going to show you this trick which will make them work again while you're waiting, and you can still watch your favourite movies, TV shows and whatever you've been using on your Fire Stick normally on your Fire Stick to stream, okay? Before we do that though, quick word, if you're new here, hit follow button. And just to let you all know, I've done some updates on the website on docsquiffy.com down there. We've got some new raffles on there. We've got raffles on there which are free to enter. We've got raffles on there free to enter, and you get a spin daily, and you can get more spins by sharing the page, and you get daily points. Those points allow you to enter these free raffles underneath, okay? We've got a new spinner for the points, so you spin this, you get your points, and then you can enter the raffles here. Enter your raffle. Brilliant. That's all done. We've also added premium raffle now, so if you wanted to enter for a Nvidia Shield Pro, where they're obviously a little bit more expensive, to make sure we cover the cost here, we have this for a premium raffle website where you can enter for as little as £1, and you can enter to win a Nvidia Shield Pro. And we will do one of those once a month. We will soon be doing charity ones, things like this as well, all on the website underneath. But that's all on the Doc Squiffy website. The link will be directly under this video. But let's get on with what we're talking about today. So, what have we got? Fire Stick. Many apps are blocked. You all know this. You've all seen this. It's happened quite a lot. So, what we're going to do is go a little trick where if your app is blocked and you can't watch it on your Fire Stick and you just want to sit down and watch something tonight, hold down the home button on your remote and click on mirroring, okay? I can almost not say that, mirroring. And what you can do is get that app which was blocked on your phone, okay? So I can load up my phone screen for you as well. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so what you'll see now down below is I've got my phone screen and I've got the display mirroring screen, okay? On my phone screen there, you'll see I've got a couple of apps. I've got one, I've had to blur it out, but one I will be using to display onto your screen. So what I will do, from here, you select the display mirroring on your Fire Stick like I have. Then on your phone, it needs to be, ideally if you're a device which plays the app, you will have something like, I have Smart View Mirror Screen. You will have something like, it could be Quick Share, Smart View. Look for the one which is for screen mirroring, Smart View, everything like that. Then you click it, and then you will get your device come up. Mine's the Sick Fire TV. I can click that, and that will connect. That will disconnect it from my computer, obviously because I can't connect the two at once. So we're here, and we're going to quickly load on, and you will see my phone will now be my TV screen. So this is my Fire TV screen all around us. My phone is now connecting. And when it connects, you will see now my phone is on screen. And yes, it looks a little bit just like a phone screen at the minute. But once you go into an app, into a film, it's full screen and you get audio. So you can click the app you want to open. You can select your movie you want to watch. Let's just pick one. We will push play. We'll find the film. Obviously, I've had to pixelate a lot of this out because you know what it's like. I don't know if you have the license to use this streaming app. You can do it with any official app, any unofficial app. It doesn't really matter. Okay, streams come up. You click whichever one you're going to play. Push play. And obviously that will start playing through. Audio is on as well. Plays perfectly well and you've got a full screen. If you have it shared like mine, I can actually, on my phone, you might not see the option there. Let me see if I can show you on that one. There. You will actually see I have the option. I can select it just to cast the app I'm using. As then I can still use my phone as normal, which is a right touch. Okay, so let's back out of that for a minute. It was quite simple. It's a simple technique, but it works for when you're stuck. Okay, so I thought I'd cover that one. Obviously, there's loads of other uses we are using. There's other tricks. There's plenty of apps out there. We've got my downloaded code. We've got my Firesend codes. You can check all them out, and you can enter the raffles where I've just showed you. So docsquiffy.com for the raffles. If you go on docsquiffy.com as well, there we go. We have all our raffles or giveaways. We all have a big download section if you're after anything. We also have a big streaming section, and we have tons of content on there for your streaming to help you. If you missed yesterday, if you've got, say, a blocked app on your Fire Stick and you need it on your phone to be able to send it back to your Fire Stick, watch yesterday's video as well. That was how to send. One of the shorts yesterday was how to send an app from your Fire Stick to your phone or your phone to your Fire Stick. Nice and simple. Brilliant. So hopefully that one's been helpful for you. And I've been Dr. Squiffy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.